Hey everybody, this is Joshua and welcome to our Math Tutorial 101. In this tutorial, I'll be discussing set. And set is basically a group of elements. In this case, our elements is going to be a number. Some way that we can write a set is a rooster method. Rooster method is a nice way to write out all the elements in a set. In a rooster method, we have a curly brace. Then, you just have to fill in with your elements. Let's say 2, 4, 6, and 8. And simply close it with another curly brace. You can say that this equals to A. This notation contains 2, 4, 6, and 8. Let's say that we have a set B. Set B contains the elements of 1, 2, 3, and 4. And close it with curly braces. There are two things that we consider in finding a set. It is union and intersection. This symbol is represent union, and in the other hand, this symbol is represent intersection. Basically, the union of two sets contains all the elements in the set. For example, we were to take set A union of set B. So this is basically the set of all elements in A and B. So we just simply start writing them down. Put curly brace, write 1. Since we cannot write element twice, we just write it once. Write 3, 4, 6, and 8. And close it with another curly brace. So on the other hand, we have the intersection, so we can write A intersect B. And the intersection is basically only the element that are both in A and B. Let's put a curly brace and write 2 and 4 and close it with another curly brace. So that's it for our math tutorial. I know you learned something new about set. So watch our next video in this channel. #MATHAPANG. Bye-bye! Good day! Welcome to the new series of our Math Tutorial 101. For today, we are going to talk about relation and function. Let's talk first about what a relation. Relation is any set of a ordered pairs. For instance, if I have the set of ordered pairs of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, and 1, 3. The domain of these relations are all of the x coordinates, which would be 1, 2, and 3. Then the range of these are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have now the domain and range. Domain represent to x and range represent y. Now let's talk about function. function is a special case of a relations, and a definition is, it is a relations where each element in the domain correspond to exactly one element of range. We should remember Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. All functions are relation, but not all relation are function. Let's go back for our example up here. We have 2 points that have the same x coordinates, but different in y coordinates. So that means that domain corresponds to exactly one element in the range. It doesn't mean that 1 corresponds to 2 and 1 corresponds to 3, so that it is not function. It's just a relation.